She doesn't miss you when you chase. She misses you when your silence stops being a trick and becomes your standard. Quick knit before we begin. If you're done begging and ready to move like a calm, solid man, hit subscribe to Stoic Tips, tap the like, and let's go. Listen, this isn't about playing with her head. It's about getting yours straight. You don't force longing. You earn it by living well, holding your frame, and refusing to dance for attention. Here's the real line of when she starts missing you for real and what you should do at each stage. Step 1. When her ego finale. Step 1. Ego finally loses. The battle loses the battle. At first, she felt 10 tall. She thought she had you on the hook. She expected the usual, the texts, the long paragraphs, the please list ankles. But your silence didn't beg. It breathed. It didn't fight her ego. It ignored it. Days rolled by, then weeks. Her lines, he'll come back. He always does. Start tasting stale. She posts for your reaction. Nothing. She floats a half joke through a mutual friend. Still living. Power with no audience feels like a costume. That's when the armor turns heavy. Pride stops protecting and starts pinching. She remembers the last look you gave. The calm one, not angry, not sad, just done. That look keeps running laps in her head at 2 a.m. The ego whispers, he's still waiting. Step 2. Attention starts feeling like noise. Her chest knows it's lying. What you do, keep your phone quiet. No, just checking in. No long threads. Put your time into sleep, strength, and work. You're not cold. You're clean. Step 2. When the attention she craved turns into noise. The DMs, the flirty laughs, the likes. At first, it felt like proof. Proof she can replace you. Proof she made the right call. But attention is loud, not deep. After a while, the praise repeats, the lines blur. Pretty words, no weight. Everyone sees her. No one gets her. She notices the difference between being wanted and being known. A stranger says the right thing, yet it lands flat. Why? Because you didn't just compliment her face. You tracked her patterns. You understood the joke under the joke. You. Step 3. Memories compete with moving on. Saw the armor and spoke to the human. That's rare, hard to copy, harder to keep. The more she's admired for the surface, the more she misses the quiet safety underneath. What you do, never fight the crowd. Don't try to out-compliment the new guys. You can't out noise. Build a life that doesn't need claps. That's more attractive than any flirty text. Step 3. When memories start competing with reality, she said, she's over it. Cool. Then why does dinner with Mr. Perfect feel like cardboard? He's funny in paper, but her nervous system remembers a different rhythm. Those carrots with no playlist. That dumb inside joke that always landed. The slow Sundays. The way you read her stress without a speech, memory isn't fair. It compares how safe she felt with how seen she feels now. New moments don't stick because they don't carry weight. A song drags her back. A street corner drags her back. The smell of your hoodie at step 4, control slips and mixed signals appear back of the closet. Yeah, that one drags her back. She swears she went romanticize, but the body keeps score. What you do, don't post throwbacks to bait her. Don't subweight. Pain, let Maries do their job without your help. Your help ruins it. Step 4. When her control starts to slip. Control worked when you were predictable. Push and you'd pull. Disappear and you'd chase. She could set the tempo and call it a mystery. Now she pushes and the air stays still. She pokes and nothing moves. That's new, unsettling. She checks your story, then checks it again. Who's that at the edge of the frame? Why do you look rested? Why do you look lighter? Her mind tries to rebuild the script. He's pretending maybe. Or maybe you just stopped bleeding energy. The more steady you get, the more agitated she gets. Mixed signals show up. The quick how are you? Followed by a random like on a very old post. A real you know is aimed at you. It's not evil. It's a step 5 detach without revenge, real strength person grabbing for lost control. What to do? Refuse the tag. No hot cold ping pong. One tempo only, command slow. If you reply, reply brief. If you don't, you don't. Boundaries over banter. Step 5. When she watches you detach without revenge, she braced for anger, for shows for. Flexes, you gave her noni. No pity quotes. No look how happy AM posts. Just a steady life, you didn't erase her. You released her. Clean detachment hits harder than any clapback. It says, I loved you. It learned I'm good. That breaks the loop as there's nothing to fight, nothing to fix. You didn't need to win, you needed peace and you chose it. That's when her respect wakes up. Quiet but strong because most men swing wild after a breakup. You didn't, you stood still. What you do? Keep walking, apology if you owe it. Silence if you didn't, upgrade your habits. Let your calendar be your closure. Step 6. When life finally quiets and reflection bites, the party phase fades, the phone calls. The weekend plans shrink, noise goes down. Truth goes up in the hush. She. Here's what she wouldn't let in before. You were kind when she was harp, patient when she was proud, present when she was distracted. Shed that time would dull it. Instead, time sharpened it. Reflection cuts clean, not to punish to wake. She sees as she protected pride and lost presence. That's when the ache isn't drama anymore. It's simple. I had something real. I didn't hold it. What you do? Don't rush to save her from that ache. It's not cruelty. It's clarity. Step 6. Life gets quiet. Reflection hits let people meet their lessons. You meet yours, too. Step 7. When your life starts speaking louder than your lips, here's the twist. She doesn't miss you because you hid. She misses you because you grew. New routine, better. Sleep, stronger body, tighter circle, clearer purpose. You're not avoiding her. You're obviously being you. Scarcity hits different when it's honest. She sees a man who ain't chained to her replies. A man with soon on his face and work in his hands. That's attractive. Not to punish, to inspire. What you do, double down. If it feeds your strength, keep it. If it drains your peace, cut it. Your life is message. Keep it simple. Keep it steady. Step 8. When she realizes safety can't be faked. Anyone can copy step 7. Your life equals your life's growth phase style. Few can copy safety, the way you stayed calm during storms. The way you listened without fixing. The way you owned your part without begging for praise. That energy is home. She. Try to find it again. Looks right, feels wrong, looks fun, feels thin. Safety eyes are an inch by inch. You built it with habits, not hashtags. When that clicks, the longing becomes real, not performative. It's not I miss the idea of him. It's I miss the way my soul breathed around him. What you do, respect that. Don't weaponize it. If she reaches out honest, you can hear her. If it's games, you don't play. She doesn't miss you when you chase her nervous system. She misses you when you choose say her nervous system. When your silence isn't a stunt, when your routine is spurring. In the best way. When you stop trying to be impressive and become a consistent, that's the moment the balance flips. Not because you made her feel small, but because you finally stood tall. If you're in that quiet right now, stay there. Breathe there, build there, let the timeline do what it does. If this helped you, buddy, hit subscribe to Stoic Tips. Drop a like and comment I choose peace so I know step 8, safety can't be faked, you're locked in. Share this with a friend who keeps breaking no contact on day 3. And if you want to follow upon exactly what to say if she does reach out, tell me below. I'll make that next.